Join us for extraordinary foodstuffs abound at this full-service restaurant. I'm talking about the Chocolate Emporium at Universal Orlando Resort. Their chefs create culinary alchemy with gourmet chocolates and scrumptious sundaes. It's a 19th century themed dream and a truly fantastic feast. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, Amy, do you think the Chocolate Emporium and Dessert Foundry is open?
They open at 8 and they're open till midnight.
8 till midnight? I think I need some afternoon chocolate cake. You want to see if they have any? Let's make this happen, Captain. All right, so we're on our way inside for food and spirits. Is it haunted? I like that. Do that again. Can you kick? Ha-ha! That is some pure... I'm going in with you. Same. Oh, go, go, go. Go. That's what she said. We can make it. Whew. Wow, the air conditioning's great in here too. All right, you ready for this? Super ready for this. I don't know. How you doing? How you doing? So you have full service bar. This is great. We've never eaten here before. Doggies. Thank you. Go ahead and ask. So, is there an additional dessert menu? That would be good. That's what we're looking for. Oh, wonderful. That's what we're looking for.
A specialty flight.
Sounds fun.
Milkshake flight.
All right, Amy, what's your plan?
Okay, we're gonna get a milkshake flight.
A milkshake flight.
Yes.
And what is that?
So you choose 5 of your favorite milkshakes.
5 of your favorite milkshakes.
Yeah, you can do brownie, cookie jar, marshmallow crisp, that's mint, Thrilla and vanilla, red velvet, espresso buzz, heavenly hazelnut, and chocolate.
All right, we're gonna try it. Can't wait.
So you can
What?
enjoy.
Thank you. You kidding me, Al?
This is crazy.
That one has an entire cupcake on it.
This is a cookie.
Look at the size of that Oreo.
How many calories do you think this is?
Actually, I heard this is 0 calories.
0 calories. It's
Pretty certain.
Really flat-free milkshakes.
I thought it was gonna be a flight like small. I didn't realize it's a flight.
That's crazy.
There's a... There's a significant flight risk. I'm ready. Yeah, it's true. Worth every dollar. Ready? All right, go for it. How is it?
Really good. Is that an ice cream sandwich?
How's an ice cream sandwich?
Oh my god.
That's the best day of my life. Each of these milkshakes had its own dessert piled on top of it, which made it really fantastic. Amy absolutely adored that red velvet cake with the cream cheese frosting, and I really liked the brownie on top of that brownie milkshake. Of course, I'm an Oreo guy, so that mint Oreo sandwich on top of the mint shake really just blew my mind. This is also a good time to remind you to click subscribe. We have all sorts of fun adventures, and this is just a section from our day at Universal Studios, so go ahead and check out our Universal Studios City Walk adventure as a separate video. Click subscribe and click that notification bell for all of our updates. And I gotta say that this was the best souvenir shop that I saw in all of Universal Studios. Why? Because it's a confectionaire, and they had some really, really delicious looking desserts. Amy's a big fan of macaroons, and they had macaroons of practically every flavor you could imagine.
Look, there's so many.
What is going on back here? The shirt says chocolate, coffee, and men. Some things are just better rich. So this is the gift shop. It's fun that they're pushing Mother's Day.
Yeah.
I saw the individual items there are about $3.75 each. 6 for $17, basically $16.50. It's kind of a fun look. Is this a Willy Wonka-esque look?
I think that's what they're going for.
Willy Wonka Chocolate Emporium style. A lot of weird skulls too.
That's cool.
Almost steampunky looking stuff. It's a cool place inside though. Let me show you the counter one last time. Oh, look at these cake pops. 2 for $7. All right, so we're on the ride home back to Tampa. Amy's driving because she's a good sport about that. You're much more patient and calm in the I-4 traffic back to Tampa than I am.
Yes.
So what did you think of the chocolate milkshake desserts that we had?
Oh my goodness, the Chocolate Emporium was so much fun.
Yeah.
We got a milkshake flight, and I thought they were gonna be like little mini like milkshakes, like little samples. No, these were
They were big.
enormous. It was like a mason jar full of milkshake plus the toppings. Like there was an entire red velvet cake on one of them, a brownie on one, a cookie, like whipped cream, strawberries. Like it was insane.
That was fun. That was your idea to get that. That was smart. I liked it.
That was fun. It was the best way to get to try 5 different flavors. I think they have probably 9 that you can choose from, and you can choose your top favorite 5. So that was really fun.
Yeah, so the couple next to us I liked, they asked if we were on our honeymoon because they said that was a honeymoon thing to get. But that's kind of the fun thing, and that's why this is such a great adventure for me. It's my greatest adventures, world's greatest adventures for me. Because we get to do things on this channel that kind of force us to do kind of the fun thing.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know if everyone you go there and you get, because that was a $50 flight of milkshakes.
Right.
Maybe you wouldn't normally do that, but if you're making a video and you're showing it off and you want people to have a good time, maybe you do a little something extra. You go a little fun, and that makes this channel fun for me, is that we get to get the milkshakes and try some fun things that maybe we normally wouldn't do. And it does, we get that a lot. Like, people are always asking, are you two on your honeymoon? Are you two on vacation? No, we just love life. It's just amazing, right? Like, you live every day like it's your honeymoon, and you will never be bored, right? So Universal Studios, it was hot.
Yes.
But there was a lot of places to stop and eat.
Yes. The thing about the Chocolate Emporium, I will point out, I think it's the only like sit-down restaurant that is open for lunch.
Oh.
So if you are going to City Walk, or if you're taking a break from Universal and you want something that's a step above, like the Burger King's open, the Mozart is open, but all of the other
sit-down meal,
sit-down nicer restaurants, the Chocolate Emporium is the only one that's open, and they do have
and Hard Rock.
And Hard Rock, yes.
Yeah.
But they do have like a full lunch menu. It's not just chocolate. It's not all milkshakes. And they did have a 35-minute wait for lunch.
Yeah, the secret hack. But what's the hack? The
hack is go to the bar area.
Yeah.
And it's open seating. It was not crowded at all, and you can have like full service, desserts, meals, and drinks up there.
It's fun when you're in Orlando because there's a lot of people who travel from around the world.
Yes.
We met a gentleman, he's here from Northern Ireland by himself. He said he walked to Universal this morning, meaning he's staying on International Drive. He took a trolley, and then he walked 30 minutes to get into the park, and he's just gonna spend the day in the park. So he started off with a chocolate chip waffle, like a chocolate waffle, and then he saw our milkshakes. He got himself a milkshake because that was good. But I really enjoy about Universal Studios is there's a lot of people who are on vacation, a lot of locals on staycation, and they want to interact.
Yeah.
So both him and the couple next to us both wanted to talk and tell us their stories. And sometimes that's a more fun environment than just going to your local Chili's and Ruby Tuesdays and eating by yourself, is when you're around people that are like, oh, I'm on vacation, let me tell you what I do, why I'm here, and what we're doing.
It is fun every time you go to really anywhere in Orlando, but the Universal Studios and the theme parks, and you hear so many different languages being spoken, and you realize how international of a city, like international of a destination, tourist destination Orlando is.
Yeah. So he said it was 8 degrees Celsius, probably 40, 50 degrees. I'm going to have to do the math. Someone do the math for us. In Ireland right now. He says that's the hottest it's been all year so far.
You know what? Honestly, today I would have taken 45.
Look at. Can you see what the temperature says on the radio right here?
101.
101.
My laptop gave me an alert earlier saying that like it was gonna break records all week. I know yesterday broke a record for heat this early in the year. Today broke a record. It's brutal.
My phone shut down in the car with the air conditioning on because it was too hot. So yeah, Florida gets hot. Be careful for that. We saw a lot of people wearing jackets and layers, and no, don't wear your short. You should wear your shortest shorts, your lightest top, light colors, and some flip flops if you can get away with it because it gets hot.
Reconsider undergarments and don't even think about socks.
No, socks are overrated. Don't wear your boots. Don't wear your shoes. Get some flops and enjoy the parks. Orlando is great. Can I tell you my Walt Disney story?
Okay, what? I don't know this story.
Okay, so when Walt Disney, first he opened Disneyland, and it was a park that was a dream that he had, basically like his childhood, what he thought the future would look like, and this world created around all of his characters. But Disneyland in California wasn't big enough, and it didn't realize what he wanted. So he bought up a bunch of farmland in Florida, and he secretly started building Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida.
Okay.
So they built this enormous park, right? And what happened was he passed away before it opened.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So before it opened, so at the opening of the park, a guy said to Walt Disney's wife, he says, "It's unfortunate that he didn't get to see this." And she replied, "He did see this. He saw it before any of us. That's why it exists today."
Oh my god.
So yeah,
That's so
sometimes
sweet.
someone else's vision is why things exist, and that really says a lot for, you know, dream your biggest dream and live your biggest vision so we can all enjoy it.
Also, that settles the debate. Disney World is better than Disneyland.
Oh yeah.
Even Walt Disney thinks so.
His wife definitely, like, that was his mature dream of like, this is what it needs to be, and it's beautiful, it's cool. I find Disney World a little overpriced, but boy, people live their best days at Disney World, right?
People love it. I'm not a Disney girl, but you know what? I'm not gonna yuck anyone else's yum.
Yeah.
Like, it makes people really, really happy. So it's definitely the happiest place on earth.
So yeah, we're going to, on this channel, we're going to have a lot of fun roadside attractions and things to do outside of Disney. We'll probably do Disney Springs here coming up. We're going to do International Drive and the Eye of Orlando, all that kind of stuff. So make sure to check it out. But if you're looking for a super fun adventure, check out all of our videos. Next week, we're heading to where?
Fabulous Barcelona.
Fantastic Barcelona.
We're going to be taking a Virgin voyage around the Mediterranean. We're going to have stops in Toulon, France, Italy, another stop in Italy and Rome, actually, and then Ibiza.
Yeah, so we have a lot going on. I can't wait to... Amy's never been to Rome. I've been there before, so I'm going to be able to give you the tour of it. We're going to record a lot of content. We also have some more Medellin and more Japan footage and videos coming up, so make sure to check that out. Make sure to subscribe. We're trying to do some giveaways. I know for when this is recorded, I'm not sure when it's going to post, but for the month of, it's May, if we hit 200,000 subscribers by the end of the month, I'm going to give away $1,000 to our subscribers. So make sure to subscribe and comment to where I can contact you if you win.
That's really exciting.
Right? So I'm excited about it. Amy's excited about it. And we have a whole bunch going on. Thank you for joining us today. It's fun checking out all the sights and attractions. Thanks for watching, and
Adios, amigos.
adios, amigos.